Hello, welcome to TZT Learning Session. In this learning sessions, we will explain the account fields and show you how to view, change, and create GL accounts. The GL accounts window is where we set up each individual GL account. For each account, we can set the account type, group, and other details. Let's see how to open the GL accounts window. In Sage 300, go to General Ledger, then GL accounts, and select accounts. First, we'll look at an existing account. The account number is checked against the structure code we've set up. The normal balance of the GL account shows if it is a debit or credit account. We can also see the account type and group. We can select whether we want to post in detail or in consolidated format when creating transactions for this account. We could also specify if we want to prohibit posting transactions for this account. Selecting the Control Account checkbox links this account to a subledger module, which limits postings to this account. For example, the Accounts Receivable account can be set as a control account linked to the Accounts Receivable module. This means only accounts receivable transactions will be posted to this GL account. If you select Control Account, the Subledger tab will appear, allowing you to choose the subledger. The auto allocation option lets you automatically distribute the balance of this GL account to other accounts. For example, you could distribute rent expense to different departments. In this case, you would use the rent expense account in transactions and use auto allocation to move amounts to other GL accounts based on a percentage at the end of a period or year. When running an allocation batch in the General Ledger, Sage 300 will allocate balances based on the percentages you set in the Allocation tab. A roll-up account combines account balances and quantities to provide a summary balance. This can be used for classification, budgeting, and reporting. If you choose Roll-up, the Roll-up tab will appear. You can then choose which GL accounts will be combined into these GL accounts. If you want to track non-financial items like quantities or statistics, select Maintain Quantities and enter the units to track. If you make any changes to the account, click Save to keep them. Now, let's see how to add a new account. Enter the number and description. Then choose the structure code, normal balance, and account type. For income statement accounts, you can choose the segment to close to and the account. These options are based on your segment setup. Next, enter or select the information for all account fields. Once all information is entered, click Save. If needed, you can also delete GL accounts here. Note that you can only delete General Ledger accounts if they are not used in transaction history. So that is account tutorial.